In this guide to install 3 awesome apps for your Fire Stick, we will first enable developer options. Then, we will install the Downloader app to enable us to install our APKs. Then, we will guide you to use Downloader to install 3 awesome streaming apps to guarantee you the ultimate streaming setup for your Amazon Fire TV device. Stay till the end, as after the guide we will show you how you can get your hands on a brand new Fire Stick 4K Max absolutely free. If that sounds good, just grab your remote and let's get started. Hey there, fellow streamers! Welcome to the channel dedicated to helping you supercharge your Fire Stick. As this is a complete guide, we will start completely from scratch. So first, we need to download an app called Downloader. This can be found by heading to the search bar, and as soon as you start typing it in, it should appear at the top of the list. Select it and then click Download. While that's downloading, if I could ask that you hit that subscribe button, it helps out the channel massively and ensures you never miss one of our awesome guides. Once it's downloaded, before we open it for the first time, we need to change a few settings. Hit back a couple of times until you are back at the home screen, then make your way over to the settings icon. Now make your way down to my Fire TV and hit the select button. As you can see, I have developer options already enabled on my device. To enable them, you just need to head into the About section, then click on your device 7 times. You will then get a notification saying you are now a developer. Press the back button, enter the developer options, and click on Install Unknown Apps. You will see Downloader in the list. You can now switch the toggle to On. Keep hitting back on your remote until you get to your home screen. As Downloader is an app that's going to be used a lot in the future, I like to move it to the front of the list. Just head to your apps, go down to Downloader and press the menu button on your remote. In the side menu, select the option to move app to the front of the list. You may have seen a lot in the news lately about streaming movies and IP TV online, so we would always recommend using a VPN with these apps. We personally recommend using IP VANISH, and by following the link in the description or in our bio, you can get up to 83% discount, and it costs just a couple of dollars a month. Here's a quick video of the benefits.
Did you know that your ISP can see all of your streaming activity? While your watch list may not be that interesting, your ISP can also keep track of all of your other online activity. Do you feel like your privacy is invaded now? With IP VANISH, all of your data is encrypted, so your ISP can no longer understand your online activity. Protect your internet privacy today with IP VANISH.
Just click the link in the description to register and ensure your privacy. Okay, so from the home screen, make your way across to your newly installed Downloader app. Once you've clicked on it, wait for it to load, and when you get to this screen, make your way up to the search bar and click on it. Now you need to type in this code exactly as you see it on the screen. This is the link to the APK file we need. Once you have typed it, hit go and wait for the APK to download. I've sped this section up, but just follow the on-screen prompts to install the app once it's downloaded. When it's finished, hit Done, and now we can delete the installation files. There isn't a lot of storage on some of these devices, so it's good housekeeping to keep them clear of unnecessary files taking up space. Now, if you go back to your home screen, you will see your new app installed. If you go ahead and open it up, you will see just how much content there is on offer here. That's the first app in our list. Don't worry. Now that you've gone through the process of installing an APK via Downloader, I'm not going to make you sit through the whole thing again for each individual app. I'll just go through the process of entering the downloader codes. But remember, if you get stuck on anything, you can always go back in the video and check for any steps you're unsure of. Head to the search bar and type in the code you see on the screen. Remember, you can pause if you need more time. Just make sure you type exactly what you see here to make sure you are getting the right app. Let the app download, hit install, and once it's done, that's it. Click home and make your way to your newly installed downloader app. Open it up, head to the search bar at the top and click on it. Now, follow along with me and type in the web address you see on the video. This is going to take you to the website where we will be able to download the APK to install on your Fire Stick. Remember, you can always pause if you need more time. Just remember to type exactly what you see here to get to the official site. Wait a second for the site to load, then scroll down to this download button. Click on it, then scroll down and click on the version for Android TV. Once it's downloaded, hit install, and that's it. Go back to the home page and open up your newly installed app. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You're now in with a chance of getting a free Fire Stick 4K Max. So here's what you need to do. First, you just need to like the video and make sure you've subscribed to the channel. And make sure you hit that notification bell, as every new video we release between now and when we hit 10,000 subscribers will have a question at the end. Today's question is, what's the capital of the USA? If you think you know the answer, just pop it in the comments. And remember, for more chances to win, you can enter at the end of every video between now and when we hit that 10,000th subscriber. We will then add all correct answers into a random comment picker, so the more you answer, the more you win. Good luck, and see you at the next video.